Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe email receipts efficiently, ensuring your online transactions are managed seamlessly. Begin by heading over to stripe.com, which is your central hub for managing online payments. If you're already registered, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. It's crucial to use the email linked to your Stripe account to ensure a smooth login process. Remember, using a strong password is essential to safeguard your sensitive financial information. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. Here, you should navigate to the Home section, which serves as the gateway to all essential features of Stripe. From there, proceed to the Settings tab. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Stripe account. Within the Settings menu, under Account Settings, locate the Business Settings and click on it. This area is key for managing how your business operates within the Stripe environment. Next, go to the Customer Email section where we'll set up the email receipt options. Here, you'll see several choices, but for email receipts, focus on enabling the toggle for successful payments. Doing so ensures that every time a payment is successfully processed, your customer receives an automatic email receipt. This not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also creates a valuable record for both your clients and your business documentation. Also, don't forget to enable the toggle for refunds. This step is vital as it ensures that customers are promptly informed if a refund is processed. Such immediate communication fosters transparency and helps maintain trust with your clients. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Stripe account to send email receipts. This feature is a seamless way to keep your customers informed and satisfied with each transaction. If you run into any issues, the Stripe support team is always ready to help. Thanks for watching, and always ensure your account details remain secure.